reports, well, the battle may be over on the border, but the politics over it is still heating up. Operation Sindoor has turned into a full-blown political slugfest. It started with the External Affairs Minister Jaishankar saying Pakistan was told about the strikes. Rahul Gandhi called it a blunder. The BJP fired back, calling him Mir Jafar. Memes, accusations and history lessons are flying fast. Here's more in our next report.
While guns have fallen silent on the border, they have started booming on the political front lines. The BJP and Congress are fighting a war on social media over Operation Sindoor, calling each other traitors. The ruling party shared a poster with merged pictures of Rahul Gandhi and Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir, and a meme describing the leader of opposition as New Age Mir Jafar, the general who betrayed Sirajud-Dowla in the Battle of Plassey against the East India Company.
पूरी दुनिया में संदेश गया कि जो एटॉमिक हेकड़ी थी पाकिस्तान की वो भारत ने तोड़ दी। ये बातें राहुल गांधी के समझ में नहीं आती है, पर ऐसा बयान दे रहे हैं जैसे लग रहा है कि वो पाकिस्तान की मदद कर रहे हों।
The Congress hit back, calling S. Jaishankar, the foreign minister, Jaichand, who as legends have it, invited Mohammad Ghori to fight Prithviraj Chauhan. What triggered the face-off is this recent statement by Foreign Minister Jaishankar.
At the start of the operation, we had sent a message to Pakistan saying we are striking at terrorist infrastructure. We are not striking at the military. So the military has an option of standing out and not interfering in this process. They chose not to take that good advice.
Rahul Gandhi cited Jaishankar's statement to claim Pakistan was alerted about the airstrikes, which resulted in some Indian losses.
Why was Pakistan informed, and why were the people of Punch not informed? If you could inform Pakistan, perhaps that's why Hafiz Saeed, Azhar Masood and the terrorists of Pahalgam killings were able to escape. If the DGMO were given 2 or 3 more days, we would have achieved much more. Why did the political leadership buckle under pressure? Why did Donald Trump announce the ceasefire?
It is unfortunate and very regrettable that the Congress party and its senior-most leadership have often chosen to disregard what our armed forces say and instead raise or ask questions of them or the government.
The BJP also questioned Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge for calling Operation Sindoor a small war.
ಈ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ? ನೀವು ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮಾತು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 26 ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ಉಳಿತೀವು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗೇನು ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಚುಟ್ಪುಟ್ಟು युद्धಗಳು ನಡೆದಿವೆ.
पाकिस्तान के अंदर घुस के भारत की सेना ने अदम्य साहस के परिचय के साथ 9 आतंकी अड्डों को ध्वस्त किया, मिट्टी में मिलाया। ऐसे में जब आप कहते हैं कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कुछ नहीं, एक छोटी सी लड़ाई थी, ये कहीं न कहीं अपने देश के साथ, अपने देश के सेना के अदम्य साहस के साथ यह धोखा है।
The political consensus on Operation Sindoor is clearly falling apart. While India is sending all-party delegations abroad to show a united front, back home the divide between the Narendra Modi government and opposition is widening. With Mausami Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.